Welcome to Camouflage Chronicles, where survival meets deception. In the wild, to see is to survive, and to blend is to thrive. From the walking stick insect, a master of mimicry, to the chameleon, the king of color change, nature is full of stealthy survivors. Even plants join in this game of disguise. Consider the ghost orchid, a flower that vanishes amongst the tree bark only to reappear with a hauntingly beautiful bloom. But what about the snow leopard with its pale coat against the stark white snow? Or the cuttlefish, shifting its skin texture to match the ocean floor? They're right there, hiding in plain sight. This is the art of camouflage, where every day is a game of hide and seek. Can you spot the hidden creatures? Welcome to their world. Stay sharp and keep exploring.